Ring is showing off a whole new range of outdoor lighting here at CES. All of the lights have motion detectors, so it's effectively extending the motion detection zone that already exists around the Ring cameras that people might have on their houses. You can set everything to cross trigger, so for example, if a pathway light at the end of your driveway gets triggered by someone walking by, a camera up on your house starts recording, maybe several seconds faster than it would do after detecting with its own motion detector.
The devices are a combination of motion sensors and lights. Some are battery powered, some are wired. We even have a low voltage transformer. The combination of everything can create a ring of security around your home. So we mostly focus on security lighting and pathway lighting. And the security lighting, they're two-headed floodlights and single-headed spotlights that attach to trees or can attach to the backside of your house without needing an electrician. And then we have pathway lights that will activate when you walk up the pathway. They stick right in the ground or attach to a deck or steps.
Consumers will welcome the prices. The lights range from $18 for the step lights to $70 for the wired floodlight. The most expensive thing in the range is a smart transformer for wired lights, which will cost $100. They'll be available in the US from March 6th and other countries later in 2019.